Introducing the 2013 GMC Terrain. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.